You want to control your family for about 75 years after you pass away? Buy them a parrot. I was once hired to draft a trust where a family member wanted to tell their kids what to do after she passed away. And trusts allow you to do that. So she wrote, "Take care of my pet bird until the bird passes. Once the bird passes, you can inherit the money I leave behind." The woman bought them a parrot. Did you know the parrots can live for up to 75 years? If you want to do a better plan and maybe a little bit more straightforward than giving them 75 years of waiting for the inheritance, give us a call. We'll be happy to set up your trust.